Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going out for dinner with my beautiful Bishies. Let's have a date. Let's go. It's birthday. Yes, one-on-one with Bishi. Bishi. Yes, Sherberry is busy. Yes, they're working, so let's go. Today guys, this is my idolize those friends like teaching us how to wear nicely, always chin up. Yeah, that's right, chin up. And really good and looking us alive too. So we're having fun one-on-one with beautiful girlfriend. See you next time for our other best friends. So we're going to the club today for our dinner. So let's eat. See you later. Hey boy in the pedestrian.
Help him.
Yeah, we can't stop.
Just edit my
Friend.
yeah. Let's see. Let's go.
So we're here now, guys. So have a dinner. Oh my God! If I'm not watching, I'm gonna be. My hair. So windy outside. Hold my hand.
I have to do it.
Don't bring this. Check. Chili is life, so. Hey. Right. Hello. So this is inside, guys. Exerbus. Guys, I didn't expect that.
¿Cómo está?
Thank you.
Mabuti.
Mabuti. Thank you very much. So that's very short.
When I had the
Surprise me for my birthday dinner. So, so that's everyone there. Thank you.
That's alright. We just started now.
better light than never down.
Because I tried to message you. I tried to send a messenger with you off.
Oh, this is a surprise. This one.
Yes, I did.
That's me.
We can take.
It's a menu, please. You want to order?
No, we just shared this.
What's the food cost like?
No, we just started. We just shared it. They only just started. Yeah, we just
Like
started.
half a chicken with
Yeah, this is
Order also.
Like what? Where was it?
this is banquet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we get a bit of that, a bit of rice, a bit of that.
Yeah. I already ordered like 8 people.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, this is banquet.
Dig in, darling. Dig in, don't wait. 2, 4, 6, 8, dig in. Alright.
Hello, hello. Thank you. Thank you for the surprise.
Can you make a chicken wrap? Full wrap.
I think they put in that. I think in the food.
Who wants a drink?
Drink?
You want a drink?
Anyone want?
Happy birthday, DJ. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hey! Hey! Well done!
Pushy, the jolly good fellow.
He's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. Hey! Well done.
Happy birthday, darling.
Happy birthday, love.
Yeah, big one. Go on. Go.
Oh!
Darling, your video is too high.
Oh, is it?
Yellow, yellow.
I'll send the cars to friends. Then I'm not riding the remote control.
Guys, Miss Emma, thank you very much.
Do you like? I love that, guys.
Thank you.
I tell her when she met my mum, I said, "Mum, have a look." I said, "Mum, what she's wearing?" She goes, "Mummy." And I said to Mum, she goes, "Look," and Mum goes, I said to Mum, "See on the video, Mum couldn't stop laughing." She goes, "She's so cute."
Thank you very much.
From Sydney.
Thank you guys. This is the video.
Diyan ka sa gitna. Diyan ka sa gitna. Maliit pa ng mukha ko lang makita.
Yes, it's time to go home now. So thank you very much for surprising on my birthday.
See you later.
See ya.
See ya, see ya.
Let's get windy. Here. Upstairs. Ooh, thank you, Valentine. Thank you, Valentine.
Enjoy. Hope you enjoy.
Yes, I did. Thank you very much. So we're going home now. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you. The children. Yes, please. When you're ready, hon.
Dark.
Jen, where you from, Jen? I was like,
Bye, downstairs, guys. See you there. See you tomorrow. See you there.
See you later.
See you tomorrow. Huh?
Thank you.
drive back.
See
Cherry.
See you there. Thank you, darling, for the surprise.
I love you, darling.
I love you, Mom.
It's good, darling. I'm glad you had a surprise.
Yes, it does.
Because I don't get to go out to dinner with you very often.
Oh, no.
And I played it all the way, and I rang you and I said, "I got to go to work now, love. I just finished bath, I got to go to work now." No, I started work.
I was surprised, guys, because I thought that my husband, my hubby, is working today. And then when I turned up at the club, I saw him in there and with beautiful friends, and everyone was there. And then Leah said that the dinner is just the two of us, so it's very surprising. Hello, my flowers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for giving me another year to celebrate and another life to live with. I would like to extend my deepest thanks as well to all the people who share time with me on my special day. Thank you for all your great things and warm messages. I love it, and to all people who shared their blessings to me by giving gift, thank you so much, and I love you all. God bless. Tonight was a good night, guys. It was really surprise. I'm very, very happy, and yes, I wanna say thank you to my darling hubby Shane, and thank you Han, Leia, Ryan, and Cherry for the wonderful surprise dinner. I was speechless and shocked when I saw everyone at that table. Thank you, Reinhard, Nelson, Rihanna, and Jackie as well. It was a good night, great food, great company, and beautiful people surround me. And to all my friends to all my friends around the world, thank you very much, my family and friends, for sending all your warm messages. I love you all, guys. God bless us all. Be safe, everyone. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Australian and Bisaya. God bless.